Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, karibu sana. So in today's video, it is the 1st of February and I want to put the year in order. There's a few things that I bought. Let me unbox them with you. I got them from Jumia. So the first thing that I bought is a glue gun. I want to do a lot of DIY stuff, so channeling the inner Modoni out of me. So this is the one I got. It's like that. Doesn't have the watts. It's 20 watts, and then it comes with 12 glue gun pieces. I'm not going to open this because I'm not using them. So I got them from Jumia. I'm going to insert the link of where I got them if they're still available. So, but the price was around 800 bob. And then the second thing that I bought is
we'll be driving down the state, yeah. Look around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way.
So the second thing that I bought is a planner. I want to write my daily goals or my daily to-do lists and all that stuff. So I got this planner.
Find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things.
So this is how the planner looks. I'm going to share how it looks inside, but there's a card that comes with the planner. And then the next thing that I bought is I am so excited about these patches. So if you watched my birthday vlog, my partner was to get me, I was to get sister locks rather, but I changed my mind because I decided to get a drill or rather a toolbox. So everything that you're seeing here is a present.
Dropped out without a choice, yeah.
So before I show you the drill, I also got a staple gun from the same company. It's Tolson. This was 1500, also from Jumia. So this is the drill. So this is a Tolson hammer drill. It's a 3-in-1. It has a hammer drill function. It's also a drill, and then so this is how it looks inside. Oh my goodness. So we have the manual here. So this is a 710 watts hammer drill. I'm not going to get into the details of what is inside because I'll do that in another video, but this is what I got for my birthday. So many DIY projects will be coming up on my channel because I like creating stuff. I like making things. So that is all for my Jumia haul. The drill, the staple gun, the glue gun, which comes with the glue sticks, and the life planner. So the drill was 6,700, but when you apply some voucher codes, you get a discount. So that's what I did for every purchase. So now in this video, what I want to do is I want to take down my Christmas tree in February. I want to take down my Christmas tree. I also want to do a bit of laundry, and I don't know if you can see, but I have new hair for the month. These are knotless braids. It took 3 packs of kawaida long darling braid number 1, and then the labor that I got to, since it's an Ushago salon, it was done for 500 bob. Just imagine. Plus I normally wash it myself and then they just blow dry it, and it cost me like 50 bob. So everything was done for 550, which is a very good deal. So yeah, let me share the rest of the video with you, which is taking down my Christmas to do laundry with me, and we'll plan what we want to do for 2022. Let's get into the video. This dispenser had soap previously, then I tried putting juice in it, but it tasted like soap, so I just decided to just use it as a soap dispenser.
Around to the window singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you.
I personally prefer the liquid detergent to the powdered detergent on our dark clothes, as I realize they don't fade much, and also you can substitute your softener for vinegar for the dark clothes to retain their color.
Top with our choice, yeah. Hair blow around to the window singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to.
I removed the soap dispenser from the machine because sometimes the machine moves aggressively and I did not want it to break.
To the coast, yeah. I wanna dive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a.
This Christmas tree has overstayed its welcome and I just want it out of the living room. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the lights that are on the tree.
Ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long.
Next, I removed the star and all the decorative balls and items that were on the tree.
It's sleeping too long. It's sleeping too long. It's sleeping. I can feel how I'm changing. I don't know if I'll ever go back. All the ways that you make me.
The last thing I did was fold the Christmas tree to reduce its size so that it can be easy for storage.
Build me up on the things I lack. I don't ever wanna lose you now. 'Cause I don't think I'll make it here without. It's you and only you. It's you and only you. It's you and only you.
Since we threw away the box that came with the tree, I just wrapped the tree in a lasso so that it can be easy to store and prevent it from getting any dust.
Time goes, it just flies when I.
I am going to store the Christmas tree and all the decorative items in the guest wardrobe since nobody uses that.
Hold you close, in my arms with your eyes closed.
So I have never cleaned my vacuum cleaner since I bought it, and when I opened it, guys, this is the most embarrassing thing I have ever seen. It was so dirty. It had so much dust, particles. It was just yuck, a mess, a total mess, and it had to be sorted before I used it again.
For the first time I've got hope. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make it here without. I don't ever wanna lose you now.
I'm going to remove all the dust that is trapped in this vacuum cleaner, wipe it down, and wash the dust cloth as well.
You know me. Because it's you know me.
After an hour, the ducks' laundry was done, so I am getting them out of the machine and then I'm going to hang them outside for them to dry.
Gone somewhere and dyed my hair now. Wanna be alone. It's much to bear and you don't care and I won't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I get you, get you, get you, get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, get you, get you. Now you'll beg me please. Hey. Now I stay away. You were never meant to save me. Now I stay away. I'll hear you say you're sorry.
We have come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below on what you're doing to reset the year, the new year. I would be glad to find out. And then please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow this channel to 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2022, and I would be really glad if you came on board. Turn on the notification bell if you haven't, so that anytime I upload new content, you would be the first to know. Until next time, bye guys.